Hi everybody, Diane from California Tea and Herbal. Today I have a very exciting announcement. I'm going to link a video at the end of this one that will show you the results of what I'm talking about, but for now this is the announcement. We had worked for some time on a 1-minute commercial tea brewer. That means that in 1 minute tea can be brewed from either loose bagged or sachet teas, and it can be used in a food service setting. It's small, doesn't take up much counter space, and it does an even better job than traditional steeping. We are very excited because we were able to license that to a manufacturer who's been in this industry for a long time, and they're going to carry the ball from here, get all the certifications and all the legalities and the whole thing, and hopefully we're going to be helping them market that to our connections as well as theirs throughout the industry, and they have their own marketing and sales as well. So really exciting. We're actually just thrilled. So that's my big announcement, and now let's go into the kitchen. I want to show you how to make a ridiculously easy tea-infused honey. Okay everybody, let's do some tea-infused honey. And I'm almost embarrassed to make a video on this, it's so simple, but it is going to change a lot about the way that your tea tastes if you're a honey lover. It's going to intensify the tea that you are drinking, and if you want something that's very neutral, just try a black tea like English breakfast. But if you want to, or if your favorite tea happens to be something like Earl Grey and you want to intensify that flavor, then use that tea. Now I'm going to make a small batch. A lot of recipes are for a cup, but I'm only making a half cup because I want to save some for other flavors. So it's this simple. Now I have a really good local honey, and it is a raw unfiltered honey, and it's local, quote unquote, because it's local to Southern California. And so I've got just over half a cup, and it's not all going to come out because it's thick. So I'm going to make sure I have a good heaping half cup in here, because what you want to do is pour it after you've measured a half a cup, and then here is the ratio. For half a cup you're going to use a tablespoon and a half of the tea or the herbal that you want to use. You could put mint in, whatever you want to use. I'm using Earl Grey. The smell is heavenly. It took us years to get this blend right. Earl Grey to me is like the mother of all teas. I'm a fan. So this is a beautiful Earl Grey on our website, and it's called Earl Grey Premium. Now this is how simple it is. You're going to put the honey, and make sure anything you use, if you get like a mint out of your garden, make sure that is absolutely dry before you put that in honey, because it can form mold if you don't. So I've got this loose leaf, 1½ tablespoons of Earl Grey tea, and I'm going to just let it sit in this honey for about 6 days. Now you can taste it, maybe starting the 3rd or 4th day, taste it, see how the strength feels to you. Now it's going to kind of sink in there a little on its own, but make sure you stir it in. This honey is so thick that I am going to stir this in, very thoroughly stir it in. Make sure that the honey is all, that the tea, excuse me, or your herbal is all through and evenly distributed in the honey. Now, when you have this combination, you're going to cover this. Now, if you have a mason jar, you have a jar, but make sure it's glass, with a lid, all the better. I'm going to be covering mine with some very tight plastic wrap with a rubber band around it. So again, start tasting it about the 3rd day, and by the 6th day this should be pretty strong, so you may not even want it that strong. I will probably leave mine in the full 6 days, and then you just have to sieve this tea out after the 6th day. And then next time you put this honey in your Earl Grey or your favorite tea, depending on what you decide to put in the honey, you will be amazed at the difference in the intensity of the flavor. So I hope you enjoyed this today. I hope that if you're a praying person, you'll pray for us that the Velocity Brewer, and I don't know if they're going to call it the Velocity. They may just rename it as under their line, but we don't care. We just want it to get out there and make better tea for everybody in food service situations. So have a great day. Enjoy your tea. Always check for our sales items. We have a little tab called Sale. Just click that on calteas.com. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and if you enjoyed it, please like it. Appreciate you watching so much. Bye for now. Okay friends, that's it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe. If you haven't yet, please like, and please share this channel with people you know who might be interested in tea and tea related subjects. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.